Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to start a car in 2 minutes. This will be a simple driving lesson and I'm going to try and keep it to around 2 minutes. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. Your car will either have a push button start system or a key start system. I'm going to start off by going over the push button start system. You're going to first and foremost find the button, which is actually over here. Let's turn the camera. The button is actually right over here. This is my push button. You want to take your foot, put it down on the brake pedal and push the brake pedal down. Then you want to make sure that you have your car key on you. Mine is actually in my back pocket right over here. And then as long as the car key is close enough, you're going to push the button and the car will start just like that. That's how to start a car with a push button start system. Now the next option is if you have a keyed start system. Now this right here is the key to mine and my wife's Mazda 3, and it has a keyed start system. Now this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna make this simple. You're gonna get in the car. I always recommend putting your foot down on the brake pedal. Even though you can start an automatic car without doing it, I recommend putting your foot down on the brake pedal just in case the car starts to move, or if it's a manual car, if you don't have the emergency brake on, you always want to have your foot down on the brake pedal. Take your key, insert it into the key slot. So just insert it into the key slot. Take your hands and turn the key forward. You want to turn the key clockwise and hold it there. You're going to hear the engine cranking, and then you're going to hear the engine starting. Vroom. Once you hear it start, release, and the key will just sort of pull back a little bit by itself. So just to clarify, put the key in the ignition, turn it clockwise, hold it there until the engine starts, release, just release, and the key will just click back just like that. And that's it. That is how to start a vehicle in about 2 minutes. It's a simple driving lesson and I've tried to keep the video as short and sweet as possible. This is a new thing that I'm trying to see how you guys like it, so let me know down below. And that's it. If you like the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.